Working with architectural BIM data and got a BZI file from Graphisoft BIMx, these files contain critical building information for collaboration. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll walk you through accessing BIMx model information files. If you frequently deal with unusual BZI file types, a universal file viewer is an essential tool. We'll cover exactly the one I use and recommend later in the walkthrough. A BZI file is found alongside a BIMx file, typically by architects, engineers, or construction professionals. The user's intent is to open a 3D architectural model. This file contains supplementary information or indices that help the BIMx application quickly load and render the main model data. The BZI file is a binary index file designed to work in tandem with the main BIMx model. It pre-calculates and stores spatial data, textures, or component information, allowing the BIMx viewer to rapidly access and display complex architectural models on desktop and mobile devices without long load times. The guiding principle for opening BZI is to use Graphisoft BIMx from Graphisoft. Windows cannot natively resolve the external dependencies of this proprietary file. Windows can't fully visualize complex structures, so proper inspection requires 3D CAD applications. Let's troubleshoot the file association error. Right-click your BZI file and select Open With. Test Graphisoft BIMx if installed. If unavailable, choose a different app. That is often the key to unlocking the file. When the initial application fails, we must assume a deeper problem. Let's jump into these 3 core diagnostic steps immediately. First, opening with BIMx Desktop. Install Graphisoft BIMx Desktop. Viewer free from Graphisoft's website. Open the BZI file alongside its corresponding BIMx model file. The viewer displays the architectural model in 3D with the BZI metadata enriching element information for inspection and project review. Next, using BIMx mobile app. Transfer BZI and associated BIMx files to iOS or Android devices and open with the BIMx mobile app. The app provides interactive 3D model navigation with full access to embedded information, enabling on-site BIM data review for architects, engineers, and construction professionals. Finally, working with ArchiCAD, open the source ArchiCAD project that generated the BZI file. ArchiCAD provides full editing capabilities for the BIM model and can regenerate BIMx and BZI files with updated information. This round-trip workflow enables design changes to flow into BIMx presentations seamlessly. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Rather than guessing, you can try switching to a dedicated parsing engine that is built to identify file structures autonomously and may offer a better chance of opening stubborn formats. When you still fail to open the file, you've hit a genuine format barrier. Your solution is a dedicated tool like FileMagick, which uses advanced inspection techniques to access files that stump common applications. Download it at filemagick.com. Let me know in the comments if that file is open. Subscribing ensures you never miss another one-click solution.